Hey guys, it's me Amani, and today I'm going to be giving y'all my review of this ombre blonde wig from Klaiyi. So I got this wig from Klaiyi. So when I initially ordered this wig, I placed my order December 6th. The hair didn't get to me until December 20 something, but it was after the 22nd for sure because I ordered it for my birthday, and apparently the one that I wanted, which was the plain 613, they didn't have it. So after I reached out to them 10 days later, they were finally like, oh, we can send you the one with the roots. And I was like, that's not what I want, but I'll take it because I needed a birthday wig. I didn't even end up getting to wear it on my birthday because it didn't even come in time. I asked them to expedite it, and I don't know if they did or not, but it didn't come in time. So, and normally though, Klaiyi had pretty good shipping, but for whatever reason they don't tell you if their wigs are on back order. So be careful with that. But I'm not gonna let that like cloud my judgment of the wig, but I definitely do need to get that out first and foremost, because if you're gonna order and think that you're gonna get something in time for an event or something like that, just be cautious. Let's get into the details of the wig. So this is a body wave wig. It is 13 by 6, so it goes all the way back, and it has 150% density. For a short wig is a good amount. If it was longer, I would probably say get thicker, but that also makes the hair a lot harder to do. Like all of my other Klaiyi wigs, I didn't have to do any plucking to the front. It came very like pre-plucked, which is always a plus. And compared to my other 613 Klaiyi wigs, this one does not shed. My other ones, they shed a lot, and I'm starting to think it's because I did the watercolor method with really hot water. Either is that or their wigs just shed, their 613s just shed, but this one does not. I can run my hands through it and nothing. But if it was the blonde wig, something would have came out. If I would have did it again, something else would have came out. The quality of the hair is as good as 613 quality is going to get, because you know it's super processed, because they're trying to get this light blonde. So it's not going to be as silky as human hair, but you can still make it look really good and like, you know, a really good look. If I would have showed y'all at the first date, it would have been like mwah. But this is like 3-day old and like reflat iron, so you can't really get the full effect. However, I will insert some pictures and videos of me in the hair looking real cute so y'all can get the picture. Period. As far as the hair quality and all of that, I do personally kind of like Klaiyi's 613s. If I was to get another one, since I do know and kind of trust them, I would get it from there. But if I had to rate this hair like out of 10, I would probably give it an 8. It is good hair, but like I said, since it's 613, it's really processed and it's like a little bit hard to do, and it has like a lot of flyaways. Like if y'all look, I already put this stuff on and they just keep popping up. I don't want it to sound like I'm just saying bad stuff about the hair, but I'm just trying to keep it real, you know what I'm saying? I still like the hair though. I still put it back in my head a few times, so you know what I'm saying? Like, don't just think that I'm just slandering it. But the shipping rubbed me the wrong way, because like that really kind of threw my birthday off. I'm just glad that they gave me an option instead of saying, oh well, we just don't have it right now, so you're gonna have to wait. I still like Klaiyi. I feel like they're a good company. They have good customer service because they did reach out to me fast, so I do appreciate them for getting it in. I just don't like how, you know, the whole situation was handled, but that is in the past. I have the wig now. I like it for the most part, and it's real cute, as you can see. Let me tell y'all one thing about this wig though, because it's like blonde, it's that 613 look, you know what I'm saying, and then it's this look. It just give you that like, you just feel like a diva. Like, dang, y'all see how my phone blowing up? It's that wig. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this video was 100% honest, not sponsored. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. Let me know any hair companies that I should try out, because I am on the look for new hair companies. Let me know if you have any video suggestions, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.